Samsung's newest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, is turning heads, and not just because of its massive 8-inch main display or powerful AI features. What really has people talking is how impressively thin and light this phone is. According to hands-on impressions, including from Tom's Guide's Mark Spoonhour, this might be the most portable fold Samsung has ever made. And there's a good reason Samsung is focusing so much on portability. While foldable phones offer unmatched multitasking and screen space, they've often felt bulky and awkward in real-life use. That's where the Galaxy Z Fold 7 shines. When open, it measures just 4.2 millimeters at its thinnest point, and when folded, it's only 8.9 millimeters thick. Add to that a weight of just 215 grams, and it's clear Samsung wants this to be the foldable you'll actually enjoy carrying. But how does that compare to other devices? I decided to stack the Fold 7 up against Samsung's other top phones, like the Galaxy S25 Edge and Galaxy S25 Ultra, and even its older foldables. While the S25 Edge is a slim and sleek device, costing around $1,099, it's still not as thin as the Fold 7 when unfolded. Interestingly, even the Fold 6 from last year was thicker, coming in at 5.6 millimeters when opened. Samsung has shaved off more than 1 millimeter this year, which is impressive given how complex foldables are internally. Now, compared to the S25 Ultra, which is 8.2 millimeters thick and heavier than the Fold 7 at 218 grams, and you start to see just how refined the Z Fold 7 is. The S25 Edge does hold the title of lightest among recent Samsung flagships at just 163 grams, but it's a standard phone, not a foldable, and certainly not packing an 8-inch screen. Let's take a moment to appreciate the progress Samsung has made since the first Galaxy Fold back in 2019. That original foldable was 6.9 millimeters thick when opened and weighed 276 grams. That means the Fold 7 is now almost half as thick and over 60 grams lighter. This shows Samsung is steadily perfecting its foldable design year after year. But how does the Fold 7 fare against other foldables from competitors like OnePlus, Google, Oppo, and Honor? The OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold are both thicker and heavier, with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold reaching 257 grams. That's a full 42 grams more than Samsung's new Fold. And while devices like the Oppo Find N5 and Honor Magic V5 get close in terms of slimness, they still can't match Samsung's polish or availability. The Oppo Find N5 isn't coming to the US, and the Honor Magic V5 is currently exclusive to China. So yes, there are rivals that technically compete with the Fold 7's dimensions, but good luck getting your hands on one outside of Asia. That's what gives Samsung the edge. You're getting a beautifully thin, incredibly light foldable phone with global availability and full software support. So, is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 thin enough to win you over? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and